What's the result in your field of the restrictions President Bush has imposed?
The only cell lines that are embryonic, or what we call pluripotent, you can work on, are those produced before August 9th, 2001. We know that those are all cultured with mouse cells and therefore have the danger of mouse viruses. The technology has gotten much better. So we can't work with cell lines that were made since then. We can't work on that at all. So now that means that if we decide to work on that with non-federal funding, we have to obtain private or state funding. This laboratory has not a penny of federal support that ever went into it. In the meantime, while we hope to attract and train the best and the brightest in America or coming from outside of America to learn with us and do this research, they're going elsewhere. They're going to Singapore, they're going to England, they'll go to Sweden soon, they go to Israel. So we are shackled. We are shackled in so many ways you can't believe it.
So this has slowed down research in our country?
Completely. In this area.
But what about patients? What's the effect on the patients?
That's the worst effect. Because all of us who are in this field, especially MDs who take the oath that the patient's health comes first, whether it's your current patient or your future patient, know that we are not moving as fast as we can for a whole host of diseases.
Do you ever get frustrated or even angry because of that?
Of course. I'm frustrated because I see the kind of research that is pretty straightforward that could lead to attempts to treat patients with these diseases being blocked here. The people of California have spoken about what they think is important for medical research and medical care in their state. And it's frustrating that it still hasn't gone forward. I hope it will go forward soon. A lot of people expect it will go forward soon. But as a doctor, you have to think about the consequences on the patients you can or would treat.